my god, are you kidding me? Oh, that was a look-up and a half, but that's still a good time. FMC is on currently. Q-Master's predictions were incorrect. I am now going to grab some lunch with JJ Cuba, JJ Chuck. JJ. Literally on the one time that we come here, it's closed out of all days of the year. God damn it. So I didn't
everyone's checked their phones are on silent.
It wasn't recording.
Are you serious?
I got...
Let's go. Oh. Those will do it again. That was way better than I
That didn't look like a great start.
Nope, I locked up. Equalize this solved. Ready.
Top 2. Making cubes unzen and technique for parity. Okay. I think making cubes unzen
8 seconds.
parity is fun. Every comment.
Of course I was going to have parity. Thank you so much. Oh, that's... Oh, that one's tough to determine.
Is that +2?
I don't know.
Don't check. Okay. I don't know how.
Wait,
I'm here. I don't know how.
I'm pretty sure there's a cool.
I think it's good because this one's this one's kind of because this more that way. Yay! Oh, it's sub 10. It's sub 10.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thanks, bitch.
Zay.
I already got my podium. Jacob got a 4th podium. Let's go.
Fewest moves,
very nice.
3rd place is David blindfolded. 3rd place with the best time of 32.24, Michael Tripodi.
Hey.
2nd place with the best time of 19 flat, Tam Guan.
Nice.
And in 1st place, winning Side and Blind Narrow Warren 2023 with the best time of 15.50, Charlie Eggins.
With also an OCR in the 2nd round.
That's right.
And OCR in the 1st round. Everyone with the podium, come to the podium. Oh, just wait.
The boys are all here. 4x4 is about to start. Scrambling areas in the kitchen. But hey, whatever works. This is the first time in a long time that we've seen this. We've got moving stations. We just now have to wait for someone to scramble. Nice. Yes. Well, that's a good way to do it. Let's go. Pure sub previous PR. I think it's PR. I'll take that, 2-2.
Yeah.
We just had to run through the rain there to get to 7-Eleven with Roman. I'm kind of soaked now, but I've secured the lunch and also drank because why not? What did you get?
I got 6 bags of chips.
For one for your brother and one for yourself. So, time to head back to the comp and have lunch. Acquired lunch, it's actually pretty good.
We saw that.
Oh, why did it do that? Finals. ZBLL. 108.01. So. That was smooth after you read through stage. Is that PR?
208.
That's so close.
208.
How big was it compared to you?
That is. I was shaking so much trying to read through stage.
I know I see.
Are you kidding me?
The 30-001.
Have you still not gotten it, bro?
30-001.
Damn.
Wait.
That's not like.
Second goes to David Epstein with an average of 29.84. And first place in 4x4 and the winner of For the Win Dandenong goes to Felix Zemdex with an average of 24.34.
Yay! Red jacket.
Thank you everybody for coming. Competition now officially
Ended!
ended.